The Lubao Bamboo Hub, situated along the serene riverbank of Sta Catalina in Lubao, Pampanga, is an ecotourism gem that has been welcoming visitors since 2017. This unique destination not only attracts tourists but also plays a crucial role in combating soil erosion. The bamboo grove acts as a natural barrier, safeguarding the landscape while promoting sustainable practices. This unique destination not only attracts tourists but also plays a crucial role in combating soil erosion. The bamboo grove acts as a natural barrier, safeguarding the landscape while promoting sustainable practices. Additionally, it is being explored as a viable alternative to commercial lumber, highlighting its potential in disaster response and environmental conservation. Operated by the Lubao Municipal Government, the Lubao Bamboo Hub and Eco Park draws approximately 600 visitors each weekend. The hub features bamboo culms arching overhead, creating a picturesque canopy reminiscent of a serene forest, making it an ideal destination for leisurely walks and relaxation. Additionally, visitors have the option to rent bicycles for exploring the park. Additionally, the site offers a fish spa beneficial for exfoliating dead skin and calluses. Tourists can also opt to rent kayaks or boats for a tranquil excursion along the Gumine River. Some interesting facts about bamboo. Rapid growth. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants in the world. Some species can grow up to 91 centimeters, 36 inches, in just 24 hours under ideal conditions. The strength. Despite being lightweight, bamboo has a higher tensile strength than steel and withstands compression better than concrete. A renewable resource. Bamboo is highly sustainable as it regenerates quickly. It can be harvested in 3 to 5 years compared to decades for traditional hardwoods. Environmental benefits. Bamboo plays a crucial role in environmental protection by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing more oxygen than trees. It also helps prevent soil erosion and promotes biodiversity. The cultural significance. Bamboo holds significant cultural and spiritual value in many societies around the world, particularly in Asia, where it symbolizes strength, flexibility, and longevity. A natural pest resistance. Bamboo has natural antimicrobial properties which make it resistant to pests and fungi, reducing the need for chemical treatments. Diverse species. There are over 1,500 species of bamboo found across the world, ranging from small ornamental varieties to towering timber bamboo. And modern innovations. Innovations in bamboo processing techniques have led to its use in modern products like flooring, clothing fabrics, and even as a sustainable alternative in the manufacturing of bicycles and car parts. Edible. Some bamboo species are edible, with young bamboo shoots being a common ingredient in Asian cuisine. The natural pest resistance. Bamboo has natural antimicrobial properties which make it resistant to pests and fungi, reducing the need for chemical treatments. Why bamboo is special? Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on this planet. It has been recorded growing at an amazing 47.6 inches in a 24-hour period. Bamboo is the world's fastest producer of biomass and can be used for anything between production of paper or clothing, used as a building material such as flooring, bench tops, fences and screens, or even as a food source in the form of the edible shoots for your favorite curry or stir-fry. How long does bamboo last? A bamboo grove can last for 100 years or more. An average cane may live up to 15 years depending on the species, but to generalize, 7 to 10 years is more common. The starter plant and smaller plants will begin to die off a little faster as the grove matures because of sunlight absence. Because of its structure and composition, bamboo absorbs moisture when it is exposed to humid conditions or immersed in water. The mechanical properties of bamboo may change significantly due to moisture absorption depending on the bamboo species and treatment conditions. Best time to visit. It's best to visit the Lubao Bamboo Hub in the afternoon, around 3 to 5 p.m., when the sun isn't too high. The hub is open to visitors daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.